when the wind is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case. I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear, and there's no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. I know it from the moment that we met. No doubt in my mind where you belong. Ha! I'm done. I need to flush. I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. There is nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of this earth for you, to make you feel my love. Yes, to make you feel my love. To make you feel my love. Peace out! Hi! Welcome to our kitchen. So we're going to cook again. I love cooking. Alright? Why, Onion? You're always making me cry. Why? Finally, it's done. So, in making the meat tender, I need a weapon. Meat tenderizer. So I just need to cut the meat into small pieces. Let's start cooking. Oil in the pan, garlic, onions, the meat, pepper, a little bit of soya. So the meat is cooking. We just need to cover up. We're gonna let it be for a few minutes, about 10 minutes. Now we're gonna add the mushroom sauce, oyster sauce, the vegetables. First, the broccoli. We're gonna put the rest of the ingredients into the pan. It is cooked and ready to be served.